Audiobook recording tips. Hello there. Here are 5 audiobook recording tips as taken from our special training course we've focused on audiobook recording and editing at voiceovermasterclass.com. The link's around this video if you'd like to check out this video-based course. So, tip 1. First of all, if you've never done audiobook recording before, make sure you've got the time, you've got the stamina, and the mindset to tackle it. Even a fairly short audiobook of about 7 or 8 hours won't take you 7 or 8 hours to record. It'll be at least 2 or 3 times more than that, and even more time to produce if it's a fiction book with lots of character voices where you've got to stop and start and don't get the voice quite right and all that kind of stuff, and then of course edit the whole thing together afterwards. The good news is that tackling an audiobook when you're first starting out with voiceover work full-time is actually a good thing to do, because you may not get that many individual jobs to begin with, so you'll have plenty of time to be busy with something rather than just waiting for the next email to come through and worrying that the voice career isn't going to take off. So instead of just watching an empty email box, you've got a job to get on with there and return to it after you've done the jobs that will come in. So you'll always be busy when you have an audiobook project on the go. But make sure that you tell the client, usually the author that you're working with, realistic timescales of when they can expect to receive each chapter for feedback to you. Tip 2, let's think. Before you start, make sure your recording area and technical setup will pass the tech specs, the technical specifications of particularly ACX. Now, ACX is part of Audible and Amazon. It's the largest distributor of audiobooks. Now, there are other distributors such as Findaway Voices and so on, but they all have very similar technical specifications. So make sure in particular your noise floor is better than minus 60 decibels and you understand in full all the tech specs required, or else your recordings will be rejected and you would have wasted an awful lot of time. Tip 3, if you're working directly for an author or audiobook production company, make sure you have an agreement for staged payments, right? Don't wait till the end before you even ask for any money. Usually the entire fee agreed at the beginning for the whole audiobook is divided into 4. Makes it easier and fairer for everyone. So you would invoice a quarter of the total bill at the start of recording after your demo is accepted, a quarter halfway through recording, and a quarter at the end of recording, and the remaining quarter when all the files have been uploaded successfully to the distribution platform, such as ACX. Hey, good, fair system that. Tip 4, if you're narrating a fiction book with various characters, agree with your author or producer to determine the kinds of voices and accents you're going to do for these, and keep recorded samples. Just needs to be 10-20 seconds long of each character's voice, so you can constantly refer back to these whenever the character reappears in the book. And sometimes you get someone at the beginning, they don't appear till halfway through, and sometimes they get killed off in the first chapter. So don't get your best voice that gets killed off in the early parts. And tip 5, try and record at the same time every day and when in a similar mood. So important this. Your voice style needs to be consistent all the way through the audiobook. Be aware of when you're getting tired and just force yourself to have a break, a coffee or a walk before continuing again. And at the end of the day, make a backup of that day's recordings, just in case your computer glitches and you lose everything before you switch it on again. Or of course, keep them in the cloud somewhere. Now, I hope you found those tips useful and good luck with your audiobook recording. If you'd like a full, detailed course about audiobook recording, editing, and full production, aimed at both professional narrators and voiceovers, as well as authors wanting to narrate their own books, check out the course. The link's on screen now or below in the description. Thanks very much for watching.